Hi Libra, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and maraming salamat for visiting my channel, 1111 Pinoy Tarot. Tingnan natin ang romantic connection between you and your person. Let's see what is happening. Pwede niyong panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, and Venus placements. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Libra. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell. Let's see how your love life unfolds and what you can expect. Ano yung mga strong energies and messages for Libra? Libra. Merong self-love. I am still trying to heal. Unworthy. You're a better person than I am. Okay. Merong ganun. Holding back. I should have expressed myself better. Okay. Shadow side. You made me realize my flaws. Merong realization sa inyong sitwasyon. Maybe this is you or the person that you are connecting with, Libra. Okay. May nagmo-move on. They are still healing, Libra. Okay. Siguro merong hindi magandang nangyari. Merong separation and someone is healing. Let us see ano yung mga messages from the tarot for Libra, please. Someone feels that he or she is unworthy. Okay. Unworthy of your love or attention, or it is the other way around. Let's see love and romance for Libra. Okay. Merong obsession, okay? Attraction sa inyo, Libra. There is a deep connection, no? Physical attraction with you and your person, Libra. Your person is in love with you. Okay. Merong passion. Okay, fire. Obsessive with you. Ayan. Yeah. Okay. You feel that you are fated to meet this person, Libra. Your person is also in love with you, sexually attracted to you, okay? Merong obsession, okay? Lagi kang naiisip. Yeah. Gusto niya lagi kang kausap, okay? Or lagi kang nagkikita. Okay. Your person wants na merong constant communication with you or lagi kayong nakikita, okay? Gusto niya makipag kung ano man yung problema or ano man yung issues, gusto niya i-work out yon. Gusto niya magkaayos kayong dalawa. Okay? Values. And morals. Kailangan bigyan ng atensyon. Libra. Okay. Let's see. Okay. For some of you, you want your person to make a move with you. Okay? Para maging official ang inyong relationship. Gusto ng person mo din na makipag-compromise sa inyo kung ano yung kailangan. Okay? He or she wants to work it out with you. Okay. Yeah. There is attraction, obsession sa isa't isa. Most especially sa nararamdaman ng person mo sa inyo, Libra. You feel that you are fated to meet this person. You are just enjoying the moment. You are enjoying the companionship with this person. Okay? Yeah, your person loves the attention that you give to him or her. Okay? Parang ayaw niyang lumayo sa inyo. Libra. Okay? Yeah. Yeah. Willing siya makipag-compromise kung anong kailangan, Libra, para magkaroon ng relasyon, okay? Maganda or maayos ang relasyon ninyo. Merong constant communication. Willing siyang makipag-cooperate kung anong kinakailangan, kung anong gusto mo. Sa relationship. Okay? Meron siyang, very attracted siya sa inyo. Nagiging attached na siya sa inyo. Ayaw niyang lumayo. Parang gusto niya lagi kayo magkasama. Parang addicted ba siya sa inyo, Libra? Okay? Sexual passion, merong ganyan. Okay? Lagi kang nasa isip niya. Queen of Pentacles. Yeah. Parang kung ano yung kailangan mo, kung anong gusto mo, kailangan, willing siya i-provide yon or ibigay sa inyo. Okay? He or she is being generous to you and kind. Parang obsessed siya sa inyo, Libra. Okay. You might be dealing with a Capricorn or an Earth sign, Gemini, okay, Taurus, fire sign, Leo, Sagittarius, and Aries. Okay. That's right. Yeah. And you, on the other hand, Libra, parang desidido ka din sa taong ito. Determined ka to come to him or her. Okay? Parang gusto mo rin makipagkita sa kanya. You want to be successful in this relationship or in this person. Parang hindi kayo pwedeng mapaghiwalay. Yeah. Sex drive. You have the hots for this person. You are very attractive, sexually attractive to this person. Okay, both of you. Okay. Maybe you are dealing with a Cancer. Nine of Pentacles. Yeah. Okay. Your person, okay, is an achiever. He or she is a hardworking person. Okay. May mga accomplishments na rin yung taong ito. Siguro matagal na to siyang solo or single. Yeah. Accomplished person. You are dealing with an accomplished person. Okay? And medyo mataas yung expectation din sa inyo. Pero, he or she is willing to compromise with you. Attracted siya sa inyo. Okay? He or she feels that you are sexy. Okay? Or this is the other way around. Just take what resonates for you, Libra. Maybe na-meet mo to yung person mo na to sa trabaho, okay? Maybe you are dealing with a colleague. Mayroong creativity. He or she is a creative person as well as you, Libra. Yeah. Parang if you are dealing with this person, parang willing siya maging responsible para sa'yo, i-provide kung ano yung mga pangangailangan or kailangan mo. If you need kalinga, nandyan din siya. Okay? He or she is thinking about you also. Okay? Hierophant, OMG. So maybe this person, there is, when it comes, kung may mga concern man or concerns, marami sigurong responsibility or obligations yung person ninyo. Okay, may mga blockages. There is marriage. Okay. Yeah, commitment is needed, but then kailangan i-let go or i-control ang mga obligations, okay, or commitment para maging kayo or magkasama kayong dalawa, okay? Yeah. Maybe you are dealing with a person who is married. Maraming obligations and ito yung nagpa-block or ito yung challenge, okay? Maybe you wish that this person is single. No attachments. Okay. This is for some of you. Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo, merong marriage na mangyayari. Okay. Kailangan lang ng sufficiency of funds. Kailangan mag-take ng action. Kailangan ng initiative para mag-work out ang isang situation or maybe yung marriage, okay? Or merong planning man of marriage. So, kailangan ng vision. Kailangan ng plano. Yeah. Chariot. The Chariot. You know what you want, Libra. Alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo, and kung ano yung gusto mo rin kunin yun, or gusto mo gawa ng paraan. You are willing to change for this person. You feel that this is meant to happen. You are fated to meet this person. Okay? Yeah. If you are together, everything is okay. Parang walang problema. Masaya kayo sa isa't isa. Abundant. Okay. Maalaga yung person ninyo. He or she wants to take care of you. There is sense of commitment. Okay. The same time, there is a question about morality or values. Morals. Need some advice. Okay. Sa taong mas nakakaalam. Okay. About the situation. Marriage. 10 of Wands. Ito yung bigat. Ito yung problem. Okay. Yeah. We wish that this person is single, or this person is acting single. Libra. Okay. Okay. This is for some of you. Just take what resonates for you, Libra. Yes, mahal ka ng person mo, but it seems may problema when it comes sa panahon or time, okay? Someone is feeling left out in the cold, but he or she loves you very much. Attracted siya sa inyo, okay? Let's see kung ano pa yung other messages for Libra. Yeah. Only time will tell. Okay? Panahon lang ang makapagsabi about sa sitwasyon ninyo, kung ano yung magiging ending. Okay? Sacred union. Honor and treasure your relationship, for it is truly sacred. Okay? One more for Libra, please. Libra. Time. You are trying too hard. Give it time, Libra. Okay? So, ito lang yung mga messages for you, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Bye!